Hello, this is a short video to explain how to use the Submit Payroll File function in the Employer MyFutureFund portal. You will see on screen I'm currently logged in, and if I scroll down and click on Start on the Submit Payroll File widget, it will begin the journey. You will see on screen it has Step 1 and Step 2, Step 1 being downloading the AEPN, and Step 2 is uploading the payroll file. So we will begin by clicking on Step 1. It brings us to the download AEPN screen where you can see there's information of my AEPN visible. And all I must do now is select the download AEPN button on the top right of the screen. That will give me an option to download the file in two formats, .json or .xml. I select which file type I wish and it will download my AEPN. I take that downloaded file, I upload that into my payroll software and I run my payroll software. At the end of that, you'll get an output file to send back to NERSA. You take that file back to the portal and we can upload it. So if I scroll down the screen here and I click on Next, we can begin Step 2. So I click on Step 2 and I'm on the Submit Payroll File screen. This is where we begin that upload journey. So if I scroll down on screen, you will see there's a box where I can drag and drop a file or I can browse my computer. I'm going to drag and drop the output file from my payroll software and drop it into the box on screen. You can see it's successfully uploaded and I can hit the proceed button to move forward. It's now telling us that it's going to check the file for any errors or warnings. This will take a few moments and you'll see on screen at the end if there's any errors or warnings or if the file is okay to go. So that check is complete. There's no warnings, there's no errors, and there's 30 line items within the file. So if I scroll down, I can continue. And now we can see the summary of that file. So there's 30 records, there's a contribution amount on screen. We can see that my payment method is already set up as direct debit. And if I scroll down, I can submit that file. I have until 6:30 p.m. Irish Standard Time on the employee's pay date to make any changes, but if I hit confirm, this will finish the submission. So that file is now submitted to NERSA. Click on View Payroll Submission. It will ask me if I have any more files to upload. And I've added them all, so I'm going to hit yes. So now we see the request is processing, and if you come back after a few moments, this screen will have updated. I can also see the uploaded file on my dashboard by clicking on Dashboard and then scrolling over to the right hand side. There's a widget there called Submission and Contribution Payments. If I click on Submission History, it will open up that screen and we have an option to view the upload history in that top bar. So I'll click on Upload History and there we can see the file that I have submitted. Thank you.